This is the redemption video for the electrostatics test. Question 2 I got wrong. I had B, but the correct answer was D. And the question was, charge carriers in a metal are electrons rather than protons because electrons are, and the answer was D, all of the above, which are relatively far from a nucleus, loosely bound, and lighter. Electrons in the electron cloud are loosely bound because they can move around on top of an object easily, and they aren't packed together in the nucleus, so they can roam around more freely. Question 4, I had A, but the correct answer was B. The question was, electric potential is defined as, and the correct answer was B, electrical potential energy of a change divided by the quantity of the charge. And the equation for this is PE over Q. So therefore the answer is B. Question number 9. I had A, but the correct answer is E. And the question was, the electric field around an isolated electron has a certain strength 1 centimeter from the electron. The electric field strength 2 centimeters from the electron is, and the answer is E, none of the above. And the correct answer is 1/4 as much. The strength of the electron field due to a point change is KQ, oh that's a Q, over R squared, which is the distance squared, where K is the constant and Q stays the same. So, but if the radius is doubled, the magnitude of the electric field goes down by a factor of 4 because the radius is squared and in the denominator. Question number 14. I had B, but the correct answer was A, to the left. Question 17. I had A, but the correct answer was D. And the question was, when the distance between two charges is half, the electron force between the charges, and the right answer is quadruples. According to Coulomb's law, F equals K Q1 Q2 over the distance squared. The electrical force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So F equals K Q1 Q2 over the distance over 2, sorry this is kind of messy, which then equals 4K Q1 Q2 over R2, which then in turn equals 4F. Question number 18. I had A, but the correct answer is D, quadrupled. And the question was, two charges are separated by a certain distance. The magnitude of each charge is doubled. The force on each charges, and the answer is quadrupled. So if you had F equals K Q1 Q2 over the distance squared, and you multiply these by 2. Equals 4K Q1, which equals 4F. Question number 22. I had B, but the correct answer was C. And the question was, if you comb your hair and the comb becomes positively charged, your hair becomes, and the correct answer was C, negatively charged. For the comb to become positively charged, it must lose electrons, and these have been lost to your hair, therefore your hair must be negatively charged. And finally, number 25, I had C, but the correct answer was E, which is 18 newtons.